Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys see these goddess locks, these faux goddess locks in my hair. I just wanted to show you guys these little bad boys and also show you guys how I did these. Now I want to say sometime last year I did a like short goddess lock style, and I did a tutorial on that. But this is a new method that I've tried and actually works, and I like this method because, you know, it helps the curly hair that's at the end, it helps it not to slip out, because this hair is so like silky that it can slip out like really easily. So then you got like a dread like hanging by like nothing, honestly. So I just wanted to show you guys a new method on how to do the faux goddess locks, and please give me any comments or suggestions or anything you guys might have, or questions. You just make sure you comment below, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you so much. So first, I already did the back of my hair, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it in the front. But I went all over my head and did these little plaits because it's just easier to do it that way, because it's like they're already sectioned off. So I'm just going to take one braid and start off with that. So just go through the root of the braid, and I go ahead and loop through a piece of marley hair. So I just make one side shorter and then the other side is just really long. And then I take the free tress hair, like the curly, wavy kind of hair. So I take it like that, just like that. And with the braid, I just put the crochet hook through the braid and then loop through the hair, just like that little shorter piece right there. So then I gather all the hair and I just like hold it down, and then I start wrapping. So with like this much curly hair left out, I then start to wrap upward. And like that much left, I take a little bit of nail glue just to seal the ends. I'm going to show you guys that one more time without talking through, just so that way you can see the steps again.
Still can't get enough.